body. I really wanna get naughty. I think you're such a hottie. Slow dancing.
Good morning, my dear friends, and have a nice day. I am going to show you a very beautiful thing. Do you know it? Okay, I am going to show you about animal houses in our environment. So let's go. Come with me. Look at this, my friends. This is a small bird's house. Wow, it is very beautiful. How beautiful they made it. They made them house into leaves. So my friends, let's go see the another house. Come with me. Look at this. This is the wooden house. It is wonderful. They very hard work to make them house. You see, they made them house into leaves. So my friends, let's go see the other house. Come with me. So my friends, look at this house. This is a little lamb house. They made in soil. They are very diligent animals and very beautiful house. So my friends, let's go see the another house. Come with me. Look at this, my friends. This is a woodcapper's house. This is a log. How wonderful is this house? Woodcappers is so work hard to make them house. Look, my friends. This house is made of its stone beak. So my friends, let's see the another house. Look at this, my friends. This is a squirrel house. Look at this. They use coconut fiber for made them house. They are very innocent animals. How beautiful this house. So my friends, let's go see the white ant house. Come on, my friends. I will show you white ant house. Let's go. Look at this, my friends. This is a white ant house. Look this. They have built them house in clay. This house very beautiful and they are very diligent animals. Now my friends, let's go see the other house. Look at this, my friends. This is a pot house. Look this. The clay is brought little by little made this house. It has 4 rooms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, how beautifully this house. So my loving friends, today I am stopped now. You too can learn about our environment in this holiday season. Bye bye, my